welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather.
And today we are opening day 13 of Cinereplicas Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar. So we will go ahead, but before we get into this, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video each time we upload. So let's go ahead and get into day 13. There's been so many good things.
I'm gonna open this one, it has glasses on it.
Oh, it's yours.
It's mine. Okay, let's see here. Oh, like a little pocket square?
Yeah. Like a little tea towel maybe?
Oh, it's cute!
Oh, that's so cute.
It's got all the houses on it.
Yeah, it's got all the
That is
houses
pretty.
with each animal that is represented by each house.
Yeah.
And the name and the color.
I love that. That's gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
That is pretty.
It's so colorful. And it's got school pride, yeah.
I like that. That's nice. Let's see.
That is nice. Ooh, that feels really nice too. It's almost got it's like between silk and cotton a little bit, because it's kind of soft like silk, but then it's kind of feels like cotton too. I wonder what it's made out of. I don't know, but it's very, very nice, and it's so pretty. I love that. We're gonna have to find a place to display that because that's too pretty to not display.
It really is. Yeah, we'll definitely find a spot.
These have all been so good. I mean, this is
Very useful.
really useful and very in-world. I mean, you could definitely show your school spirit with this. It's really fun too, since this has all the houses represented on it, along with, you know, a Hogwarts square there that has like a little H for Hogwarts, and then it says Hogwarts underneath these H's as well. But it's always fun because we have friends in all of these houses, which is really fun to look at, because anytime you look at the name and the crest and the color, all displayed so brilliantly on here, you know, it makes us think of friends that are in each of those houses. So that's another really fun thing about this. I really like it.
Yeah, I love it. It's awesome. It's so colorful and pretty. That is a very beautiful handkerchief. I love that. You can definitely see us taking this to the Wizarding World.
Oh yeah.
Very useful.
Alrighty, so that was day 13, and don't forget to join us tomorrow when we open day 14. Bye.
Bye.